Okay, so today I'm loading up some more 223 rounds, and the projectile today is a blemished bullet from Midway USA. This is a 62 grain full metal jacket, and I've got after my workup load 460 of these left, so I'm just gonna rock these out as a plinking round. I also have brass that I've already gone through all the case prep on. Everything's been done to these. They've been deprimed and resized and trimmed, and inside and outside of the case mouth have been deburred, and they've been freshly primed, and you can probably see that that's Lake City brass. Most of this is Lake City brass, just a little bit of other stuff mixed in, but for the most part it's Lake City. We're going to run through just a few rounds here and show you how it works in the progressive. So again, all I'm going to be doing in the stages today is doing a powder drop, using the powder cop die to check for appropriate powder load, bullet seating, and a light bullet crimp with the Lee factory crimp die. So with that, I'll turn on the case feeder and we'll get some cases ready to rock. And I could go really fast with this, but here I'm doing a few things every time. I'm watching the powder cop die to make sure I got a proper load. I'm watching the case when it drops from the case feeder to make sure that it's feeding into the die shell holder properly, and I'm watching to make sure that the powder mechanism is actually functioning appropriately as well. And we can take a case then every so often, and just to verify, we'll put it in the case gauge, and we can see that that is gauging out just fine, and falls out as expected. So that's good. It's tough to see probably, but there is a very light crimp on that case. I'm doing it just basically to just slightly roll it into the cantilever a little bit. Other than that, I'm not going crazy with it. And then occasionally I'll stop as well and take one of these cases that have been fed powder, and I'll go ahead and just check it on the scale just to make sure that it's still throwing the expected charge. And it is. So while some guys may tell you that using a progressive press is, just like, pulling the lever and going, that's not really the case. It's still a matter of having to watch every little step that you're doing. You get goofball stuff like this where it doesn't eject the case right, that may not feed the case right. You're still speeding up the process because you're doing 5 or I guess 4 steps with every pull of the lever, up to 5. But you've got to just make sure that everything is running and queued up right before you pull that lever every time. So it still is fast. It's just it's still not like it's automated, and you just sit back and pull the lever blindly. Maybe the Dillons are better. I don't know. I didn't buy into the blue Kool-Aid, so and maybe there's some stuff I could do on here that would tune it better. But for the most part, I'm not looking to fly. I just, looking to do some fairly quick reloading. But there's no reason to get stupid about it. So anyway, that's it, and that's how it works. Thanks, guys.